Today we're going to show you how to execute your first trade on TradingView using the practice account. So we obviously need to have our TradingView account open on a chart preferably as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our mouse and move towards the top right hand side of our screen as we are doing currently. And then we need to click on the trade button. We've covered this in a previous video, but this is where you can see brokers who are integrated with TradingView. But that is not the topic of today's video. Instead, we need to move over to paper trading, where we're going to left click, clicking on connect. And then suddenly we have our paper trading account. Now we've set this up to have an account balance of 100,000 US dollars. In order to enter your first trade using this paper trading feature, once you've connected, we can minimize this, and then all you need to do is edit the position size, which for us is a quantity of 88,000. And then you can simply click on buy or sell, and that is how you would be executing your first trade on the paper option for TradingView. And then you can obviously drag your stop loss, your take profit, and so on and so on. But as a reminder, please be advised and do remember that this is paper money and not actual trading. Actual trading does carry a risk. And that is how you would open your first trade. Thanks for tuning in for today's episode.